How to use much versus many. In this lesson, 1. Countable versus uncountable nouns. 2. How to use many. 3. How to use much. 4. Review quiz. Countable nouns. Countable nouns refer to things that can be counted. They have singular and plural forms. Example: 1 apple. Slash. For apples. What countable nouns can you think of? Examples: countable nouns. Books. Examples: countable nouns. Dogs. Examples: countable nouns. Bananas. Examples: countable nouns. Students. Examples: countable nouns. Pencils. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns refer to things that can't be counted. Example: paint. Examples: uncountable nouns. Bread. Bread. Examples: uncountable nouns. Water. Examples: uncountable nouns. Rice. Examples: uncountable nouns. Money. Much versus many. Many. We use many with countable nouns in questions and in negative sentences. Example questions: how many apples do you have? Example negative sentences: there aren't many apples. Much. We use much with uncountable nouns in questions and in negative sentences. Example questions: how much money do you have? Example negative sentences: I don't have much money. Many or much. Quiz. Many or much. Quiz. Number 1. Many or much. There are pencils on the desk. Number 1. Many or much. There are many pencils on the desk. Number 2. Many or much. How juice did you buy? Number 2. Many or much. How much juice did you buy? Number 3. Many or much. How hamburgers can you eat? Number 3. Many or much. How many hamburgers can you eat? Number 4. Many or much. I have friends. Number 4. Many or much. I have many friends. Number 5. Many or much. I didn't drink water yesterday. Number 5. Many or much. I didn't drink much water yesterday. I didn't drink water yesterday. Number 5. Many or much. I didn't drink much water yesterday. Job.